Sensei invented the first rotating thumb shear in the world many years ago. Swivel is an important part of that legacy. The sculpted crane handle has wide contact surfaces to provide comfortable support and control in all cutting positions. It allows you to work with your elbow lower and lifts your hand away from the client when cutting on the skin. These elements of the crane handle do not even require the rotating of the thumb. Rotating the thumb, however, allows you to cut the length both at the top and bottom of the cut, with the elbow down and the wrist straight. It also allows you to keep your elbow down for support when cutting into the fringe, and also makes it easier to follow a line around the ear or to undercut a bob. The blades are made from Sensei's proprietary Japanese molybdenum alloy steel, and like all Senseis, it undergoes cryogenic tempering that nearly doubles the life of the edge. Every swivel shear has friction-free polymer inlays in both sides of the pivots. Sensei uses ultra-low friction polymer inlaid into the main pivot contact points to eliminate the metal-to-metal contact. This eliminates the friction and wear in this critical contact point and make the action of the scissor feel smooth and effortless. Swivel is available in a full range of sizes, 5.25, 5.75, and 6.25 sizes for cutting hair held between your fingers. The longer 7-inch sizes are ideal for scissor over comb, cutting on the skin, deep point cutting, and other techniques where you are not holding this section between your fingers. In addition, the swivel as part of the Sensei Mainstay collection is available in a full range of specialty scissors, so you can build an entire swivel toolkit. Every stylist will be more efficient if they build a collection of tools that each save time and improve results, like the Swivel Seamless Blender, or the Seamless Point Cut Texture Shear, or the Swivel Dry Slide Cutting Shear. Start your swivel toolkit today.